I think I'm going to make part of them just swirl cupcakes. So let me show you how to make a basic swirl. Hi, I'm Natalie Madison of Art is in Cakes, where we give you the tools and the knowledge to build your passion for baking. And today we're going to show you how to. And to make the swirl, I'm going to first take the tip off. So I'm just unscrewing the coupler, and I'm taking tip and coupler off of the bag. And then I'm going to pipe a Hershey's Kiss right in the middle. So just a little mountain about like that. And then I'm going to come on the outside and just pipe circles going up that Hershey's Kiss. And when I get to the top of the kiss, I raise my hand and